Money will never make you happy if you are an unhappy person. The more a person seeks security, the more that person gives up control over his life. There is a difference between being poor and being broke. Broke is temporary. Poor is eternal. When you create wealth, it's your responsibility to return it to society. Watch what the idiots are doing, and do the opposite. The most successful people are mavericks who aren't afraid to ask why, especially when everyone thinks it's obvious. Talk is cheap. Learn to listen with your eyes. Actions do speak louder than words. Watch what a person does more than what he says.
Success is a poor teacher. We learn the most about ourselves when we fail, so don't be afraid of failing. Failing is part of the process of success. You cannot have success without failure.
Losers quit when they fail. Winners fail until they succeed. It is easy to stay the same, but it is not easy to change. Most people choose to stay the same all their lives. Today, wealth is in information. And the person who has the most timely information owns the wealth. Don't waste a good mistake, learn from it. Your choices decide your fate. Take the time to make the right ones. If you make a mistake, that's fine, learn from it and don't make it again. Face your fears and doubts, and new worlds will open to you. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. A mistake is a signal that it is time to learn something new, something you didn't know before. People who dream small dreams continue to live as small people. Nice guys do not finish last. The last place is for cowards and those too full of fear to take action. Find out where you are at, and where you are going, and build a plan to get there. You'll often find that it's not mom or dad, husband or wife, or the kids that's stopping you. It's you. Get out of your own way. You get one life. Live it in a way that inspires someone. What does school teach us about money? Nothing. And why are so many people in trouble? Because they went to school and learned nothing about money. Lack of financial education means the rich get richer and the lower class get poorer. The best thing about life is that you can still get educated. You've got to change what's in between your left ear and your right ear. Every time I talk to Aussies, you guys think you're far away in the corner of the world.